Okay, welcome home. Let's see. Okay, shoes, that could be easily fixed. Let's see. Water bottles, hair stuff, dirty clothes. That's a dirty sock, school stuff, puzzle book. Actually, it's not that bad. I'm making it out to be more than... Oh, there's Mom's card. Thank you, Mom. Oh, clothes draped over the dining table. Yeah, and Jack's waiting, so let's go let Jack out. Oh, Jasmine's bathroom seat towel. I don't know what that is on the toilet. And all her hair products. Oh, you saw my reflection. Okay. Let's let Jack out. Hi, honey bun. Okay, let's go potty. 1 minute, 21 seconds. One minute, 37 seconds. Hey, you gonna go potty? We just went in a circle. Okay. Thank you. This is Jules' rearranged room. She just needs to fix her bed, that's all. And then, came in my bedroom. There's underwear on the floor. Directions to the bed stuff, just on the floor. The bed's high up off the ground. Bed's not fixed though, and I just threw those groceries on the bed. Not groceries, but toilet paper. Oh yeah, this is our room. I don't think you've been in here. This is our bathroom. Double sinks. You can see a view from our bed. Uh-oh, I'm taking longer than a couple minutes. You can see the curio. Yeah, half the door's missing. Here's my jewelry box. Where's Carlos Street? Sorry, honey. There it is. Okay. 3 minutes. Love you. Bye.